hey, you need to relax a little bit. And I don't mean to say that in a way that sounds like you're just uptight, but here's the reality. You probably don't spend enough time relaxing. If you're like me and you like to hustle and bustle and side hustle and produce content and invest in real estate and network and do all this crazy stuff, you might find that you run around all the damn time. And that's great, but you need to spend time to relax. You're going to burn out. It's going to happen. I know you might not think it's going to happen, but it's going to happen. You need to spend at least an hour a week, like at least an hour here and there. So every weekend I try to spend like 45 minutes to an hour where I go outside and maybe I swim some laps or chill in the pool and I read a book for a little while. I do my goals or my journal or whatever, and I do some stuff where I'm just kind of relaxing outside in the sun, and then I sit in the hot tub. And no matter what, for at least 15, 20 minutes after I relax and read and whatever, I sit in the hot tub, maybe with or without a beer, and I just do nothing. No phone. The phone's not even allowed in the pool with me or in the pool area with me. It stays in the house. So there are no distractions. And I just sit and I think. Or maybe you get a massage, or maybe you just sit outside, or maybe it's running, maybe that's your thing, but you need to have some time where you just escape, right? I know that we don't get enough sleep. I know that we don't always get the right diet or have the right diet or drink enough water. And I know we don't always feel like we get some time to us. Maybe that's even just video games. That might not be the best way to spend your time, but just something where you get to relax. You're not hustling. You're not learning. You're not doing. You are relaxing. Now, I know you could do some meditation and there's things you can do all day, every day to work on this, but no matter what, just spend at least some time on yourself. Now, if that's daily, great, more power to you, but at least weekly, you need to spend some time for you. It's not selfish. What's selfish is going and going and going and going and going until you just drop dead or you burn out and you just can't go anymore. So don't be that guy. Now, this could be for the military, right? Like for the Marine Corps, maybe you just need to take that hour to leave the office and go outside for lunch and not be in the office, right? Like you might think, oh, but there's work to do, but you're not doing your Marines any justice by not going outside. Because as a leader, if your Marines see that you never leave work ever, like you're going to be stressed. It's going to come back on them. Like go take some time and just relax. Even if it's just a 15-minute walk around the campus, you need to take time for yourself every day, every week to relax. Personally, I've already done the reading and hot tub today, and that's on top of like just sitting in cold water this morning at the Pacific Ocean to try to do some cold water immersion therapy and like relax a little bit. I plan on probably getting a massage this weekend. I haven't done one of those in a long time. And then I'll probably do something therapeutic like clean my car or maybe I just journal, but not about goals and stuff. Like just something to just completely take my mind off of everything and just relax. And that's very important. You need to do that. So I'm telling you right now, today, I am giving you permission. Take an hour this week and be a freaking bum. Go relax. You will thank me. Your family will thank me. Your work will thank me. I promise you, it's worth it. Take some time for yourself. You'll feel better.